Is your laptop slow or freezing? Before you buy RAM or take it to a technician, give me just 5 minutes. I will show you how to make Windows 10 or 11 faster without installing any software. The first thing that we shall do is disable all startup programs, and how we shall do that is quite easy. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape. We shall come here to startup. What you need to keep in mind is that your computer opens so many programs that sometimes are unnecessary that keep running. That's why your computer becomes slow. So we shall come here and disable most of these applications like Search Everything, IDM, Microsoft Edge, this one right here. Most of these are disabled, but do not disable the Windows security applications and these other Windows applications that could be running here. Just disable these other applications that you might have installed. Step 2, we shall go ahead and clean temporary files. What we shall do is hit Windows and R. Yes, this will pop up. Then we shall type in here temp, just temp, then hit enter. Once we have hit enter, this will show up as you can see. Then we shall highlight everything, Ctrl A, then Shift delete. Always do Shift delete so that you can delete them permanently. Then you will tap yes here and check this and skip this in case most of your files have been deleted. Just skip all the rest. Alright, then we shall do, as this is deleting, we shall still hit Windows R, then put the percentage icon, yes, then temp. For your computers you might have chunks and chunks of temporary files, but go ahead and delete each and everything that pops up in here. Then click on enter again, then highlight everything here, Ctrl A, then Shift delete. Then go ahead and delete as many files as you have in here. Trust me, it will probably create more space on your computer. Just wait for it to get done deleting each and everything that we have in here. Alright, then tap on this and skip this. Tap on this, skip. Alright, then third step, type in here prefetch. Okay, yes, then hit continue, give it access. Then go ahead and highlight everything in here, delete, Shift delete, and delete each and every temporary file that you have in there. So that's step number 2. Let's go to step number 3. Step number 3, we shall adjust each and everything for best performance. So come here, click on Windows, then type in here adjust. Okay, adjust performance. Yes, click into this tab here, adjust the performance and performance for Windows. Then just click into this one, adjust for best performance. As you can see, your PC will not animate anything. Remember, whenever you are animating, then your PC is using a lot of RAM to keep those beautiful animations coming up here and there. So click on adjust for the best performance. Do not click on adjust for best appearance. No. Click on adjust for best performance, then apply and okay. The other setting that we shall have to do is come here on Windows, then click in disk cleanup. Yes, here disk cleanup, then click on open. It should open this the drive C that has Windows installed on it. Click OK. Then it will come up with this. Make sure that you have these temporary files checked. Windows error, everything here should be checked apart from your downloads. Your downloads should not be checked because you need some files in there, but all the rest, the recycle bin, the temporary files, the thumbnails, all those should be checked. In case you have like a desktop application in here, do not check it because it will delete each and everything there. Just click on these other folders that have these cache and temporary files that are needed, these temporary files that are not needed in your computer. So once you've checked all those, you can see mine has 577 MBs. Yours could be in GBs if you have never done this. The reason why I have few temporary files in here is because I constantly keep deleting these files. So once you've done with that, just click on OK and delete those files as well. One last pro tip that I'll give you is, in case you are to run any software, it could be an editing software, a recording software, any software that you want to use on your PC, make sure that you run it in run as an administrator. Always do that. That's a pro tip that I'll give you. Always run your software in administrator mode. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. And for these settings to actually work, what you'll have to do is restart your computer in the fastest mode it can ever be in. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next video.